Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious honey lemon pepper chicken wings, guys. These are just out of this world, so easy to make. Let's not waste any time and get right on into the recipe. So we're gonna begin with about 1.5 pounds of some chicken wings. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil onto them and massage that oil right on in. If you wanna make a bigger batch, obviously all you gotta do is just kind of double up the ingredients. And you know we gotta season it up proper. This is my little all-purpose seasoning blend. When it comes to wings, you always have to have a good base coat. It doesn't matter if you're saucing them up. It doesn't matter what you're doing to these wings. They need that good base coat. You know what I'm saying? You just can't have some plain old wings and just sauce them up. That ain't what we're doing over here. So we're just gonna apply that right on to our wings. And all the ingredients will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well. All right, our wings are well seasoned up. You should be looking like this, and we are ready to hit that air fryer up. So we are gonna load up our air fryer with these beautiful wings, and we're gonna let it go for about 18 minutes or so at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And you do wanna flip your wings halfway through the cooking process, okay? So about 9 minutes in, give them a flip so both sides can be nice and crispy. All right, I'm just gonna push that in, set it at 375, and boom. So while the chicken is doing its thing, we're gonna get that lemon pepper sauce going, or should I say honey lemon pepper to be exact. We're gonna melt down some unsalted butter. We're gonna add in a little bit of chicken broth, just a little bit, just a splash. Our lemon pepper seasoning, we're using Lawry's. I know you guys always wanna know what lemon pepper brand I like using. We're gonna also add in that honey, of course. Some red pepper flakes, just a little bit to kind of balance out that sweetness. And some fresh parsley. And I'm gonna add in just another little splash of that chicken broth just to loosen up that sauce a little bit. And just like that, our sauce is pretty much ready to toss onto our wings, and it looks beautiful, everyone. All right, our chicken is ready, nice and hot, and they are looking beautiful. Look at that. Come on now. Beautiful, beautiful chicken wings. I don't know if the camera's gonna focus. There we go. That is what you're looking for, guys. Let's go ahead and get these in a bowl like so we could get them tossed up in that delicious sauce. We are ready to sauce up these wings. Make sure you heat that sauce back up. If it cooled down a little bit, helps it loosen up. Just toss all of that yummy sauce in there like so. And give it a toss. How beautiful is that, guys? Super hot, by the way. I'm too excited to give these a try. They are looking good, smelling good as always. Of course, I gotta go for the flat first. Let me know in the comments, are you team flats or are you team drums? Without further ado, let's dig in. Oh man. Wow. Oh wow. Mmm. Yo. These are so good. Oh my goodness. So freaking bomb. Wow. Let me give the drum a go. You know what I'm saying? It is so good, guys. I don't even know what to say to y'all, but get in your kitchen. That's all I can say is get in your kitchen, guys. If you don't get in your kitchen right now and whip this recipe up, this is so freaking good. Everything comes together. Of course, that lemon pepper complements the chicken wings so well. And remember that base coat I was talking about in the beginning. So you know our chicken is well seasoned up. You got the honey in there, and you got the little red pepper flakes in there too to balance out the sweetness. Everything comes together. Beautiful medley as always. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely freaking delicious. Go ahead and give this a try. Hope you guys all enjoyed watching today's video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's recipe, as well as what you want to see on a future video. And I do really appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.